Designing for UltraColor Max outside of EasyView LTE, but want to use the color swatches in EasyView? We've got you covered. Let me show you how. Here on our artwork uploader page, you'll see here in the middle of this group of links is the UltraColor digital color palette. When you click, you get a visual representation of the colors in EasyView LTE palette. It is worth note that these colors on your screen are not exact representations of the actual printed ink color, as all monitors display colors differently. At the top, you see links to download the ASE color palette for Adobe products or the XML format for Corel Draw. Let's head over to Adobe Illustrator and I'll show you how to install. Here in Illustrator, be sure your color swatches panel is open. If it's not already open, then just go to the window menu at the top and come down to swatches. The fastest way to add your swatches is the swatch library menu, which you can find right here in the lower left side of the swatches panel. After you click, select Other Library and then find the ASE color palette. Keep in mind you'll have to unzip these packaged files before installing. Here we'll select the ASE file from the location we saved the extracted file to. Now you should see your libraries load right in here and you're all set. After recoloring your file, let's go up to the Save As menu and save this as a PDF. It's okay to use the Adobe Illustrator default PDF preset. However, if you'd like to ensure your color profiles are included, click Output and select Include All Profiles. That's it. Let's head over to Corel Draw. To install a color palette here, select a window, go to Color Palettes, open Palettes. Navigate to where you have the XML file that you extracted, and you're all set. After recoloring your artwork, to save this, we'll save it out as a PDF file for maximum compatibility and click Save. One thing that's good to double check when using spot color palettes, like what we have here, is clicking on the Color tab and ensuring this Convert Spot Colors box is unchecked. And while we're here, we can also uncheck the Preserve Documents Overprints because we won't need it.